There she is. Hi. What kind of bird is she? What kind of bird is she?
Cockatiel.
A cockatiel. Oh. What's her name?
Cleo.
Cleo? Hi, Cleo.
Oh, that's natural.
Oh, is that ever cute?
Oh, yeah, right? That's a cockatiel.
She let you pet her? I can pet her? Hi, Cleo. Hi, you're so cute. You want to go in Harry's hand? There you go. It's just a camera. Is that ever cool? How long have you had her for?
About 7 years.
7 years, eh? She likes to talk, eh? Does she say words at all, or she just chirps?
She has vocabulary.
What can she
My wife, she
say?
doesn't always use it when she wants.
No. That's cool. She's up on his shoulder. That's
shoulder.
cute. She's giving him kisses now. Here,
Give you kisses
turn
now,
this way.
master.
She's giving you kisses?
He's giving you kisses.
Oh, she's going right on your back, eh? Oh, now she's happy. She's not crying no more. She's like, Daddy, Daddy, Daddy. That's so cute.